Well, I'm doing the oil change and I'm doing the oil filter housing gasket. I'm doing. Believe it or not, this fucking gasket didn't fit. But it says that's the right one, 73040. But when you look at this one's like more flat. And then this one came with this little filter, but the little filter don't fit right there. Now look how much space it got, man. Like, what the fuck, man? I'ma still put it on. I just hope it don't leak. Because if you look at this one is like it's like a square. This is like a round, like more like round. This is like more like square all around. But see how this one is bigger than this one. Oh man, let's see if it works. If it don't, well, I'm gonna have to buy the original one. And yeah, cause this one, even the gasket was different. Cause it was another gasket. What the hell went I? There was another gasket around. Well, I don't know where it went. I think I lost it. Oh, right here. See, it came with this other gasket, but this don't got that. I don't know where the hell it goes at. It don't got it. Well, I'm getting ready to put it on. Let's see if it works. If it don't, well, I'll change it again. Oh, and these screws, this one right here, it was the longest one. And then this one and this one, they're the short ones. Well, let's do this. Let me put the filter. I'll put the filter. Remember, it's hand tight. Hand tight. Even the screw for the oil, hand tight. Well, let's put it back. Now, there's some sandpaper to clean this out. Shush. Well, I put it back. I'm getting ready to torque it now, and put the oil. And put the oil in.